Hello, Ederson Oliveira here. This is the DNN tip of the week, and today we'll be talking about style sheets. We'll be talking about how you can create custom style sheets for different pages on your DNN website. And by doing so, you can leverage reusability of that style sheet as well as caching capabilities of browser in the website too. This is as opposed to hard coding inline style sheets on DNN pages. So I hope you like it. Before I tell you about the DNN tip of the week, I want to bring to your attention our sponsor, Manage.com. Why do I have them as a sponsor? Because I use them, because I trust them, because I have been running my business on their hosting environment for over 7 years now. I trust them. I have used other providers, but at the end of the day, I go back to them because of their support level and their technical abilities as well. Let me tell you, no other support, no other hosting provider out there will call you on the phone to give you the status update of your ticket. Nobody will do that. And I get that from Manage.com. That's what differentiates them. It's not only the technical side, which they are very good as well, the best one in the DNN space and beyond that, but they are also very good when it comes to support, when it comes to the personal touch. So my recommendation to you is host with them. You will not get disappointed. They have good rates and great, awesome support. That's it. Let's go back to our tip of the week. Okay, so first I'm gonna show how I used to create custom CSS for certain pages on my DNN website. So I have a new page here called About Us, and the about our company title is an H1 tag. It's a H1 title. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to the page settings. I'm gonna click this again to stay in edit mode. So I'm gonna go here, page settings, and then I'm gonna go to advanced SEO, and then there's this setting called page header tags. So here I can create some customized header tags, and in this case I'm gonna add a style tag. Let me just copy this properly. So as you can see at the beginning, I have the opening of a style tag. I have type text dash slash CSS, and here I'm defining the properties of the H1 tag. I'm selecting a new font, I'm selecting a new size, and I'm putting color in blue just so we can see this clearly. So that used to be the old way. I'm gonna save this, and you're gonna see the results right away. As you can see, new color, new size, and new font type. Now, what is the disadvantage of doing this? One is that because the style sheet, the style is inline inside the page, there is no caching mechanism used for that style sheet. So we are not leveraging the ability that DNN has to cache style sheets and sites in general as well. So that's the one problem. The second problem is that now if we want to reuse this definition on another page, we have to copy that style sheet again and paste that on the second page or third page. So we are missing out caching and we are missing out reusability. So let's fix this. Let's go back there to the page settings, and I'm gonna go to SEO. I'm gonna get rid of this and go back to the original settings. Now, on my local system, I'm gonna create a new text file, which will be the new CSS file. I'm gonna call this About Us, and it could be any name, and it should be .css, and I'm gonna open that in a text editor. So here it is open. I'm gonna copy the style definition for H1, and I'm gonna paste inside this new CSS file. I'm gonna save this, and that's the CSS file that you're gonna specify within that page. But before we do that, we have to do one thing. We have to upload this new file, this new CSS file, style sheet file, to the website. So to do that, we're gonna go to the site assets on DNN. From here, I can keep selected root, that's fine. I'm gonna upload that file to the root folder of this portal. So I'm just gonna go click here, and I'm gonna select the file, the CSS file. I'm gonna open, it will upload, and I'm gonna close this. If we scroll down, you see the file is right here. Now, what we have to do is we have to go back to our page. Actually, let me close this. Go back to home. I'm gonna go back to About Us. Actually, I should have kept open, so I'm gonna edit this again. And I'm gonna go back to page settings. Now, under advanced, under appearance, we're gonna scroll down, and there's a field called page style sheet. Here, we can add the name of the file that we have just uploaded, about-us.css. Now, this path is used in relation to the root folder of your portal. Because we added the CSS style sheet to the root folder of the portal, there's no need to create any extra path here. You don't need to put slash or anything like that. It's enough to put the file name. I'm gonna save this. And as you can see, the file has been picked up by the page. Now, the two advantages here. One is we are using a CSS file that can be cached in the browser, so it decreases the number of round trips to the server. That's good. And also, from now on, I can have this style sheet being reused on other pages throughout my website. I can, even though I've created that and called it as about-us.com.css, sorry, but it does mean that I cannot reuse it on other pages. So now I have reusability and I have cacheability as well because of this strategy. So that's it. That's how we can use a very simple strategy to create and specify CSS style sheets that are unique for certain pages, and you can apply cacheability and reusability to that file as well. That's it. Thank you very much. Bye. If you like this DNN tip of the week and don't want to miss out anyone, subscribe.